As we take a look at Toronto, which is the hotspot for Ontario's pandemic, the province has reported its highest daily count of new COVID-19 cases. 978 new infections is the number that they just shared. And with that, let's bring in the CBC's Natalie Nanowski, who is on our top story for us this hour. So Natalie, what more can you tell us about these new numbers out of Ontario?
Well, Michael, exactly like you said, 978 cases. That is a record high for the province from the beginning of the pandemic until now. We've never seen numbers that high. It's also the 7th straight day that Ontario has more than 800 cases. And I want to point out that the majority of Ontario's cases are located in the Greater Toronto area. So let's break that down for you. There are 348 cases in Toronto, 170 in Peel, 141 in York Region, and 89 in Ottawa. We do know that 294 people are in hospital. 82 of the patients are in the ICU, and 6 people have lost their lives to the coronavirus today. And we're seeing a lot more cases this round in the pandemic, but it's also important to note that the province is also testing more. 44,000 tests were performed in the province yesterday. That is a very large amount. However, the Premier did point out on Friday, Michael, that other parts of the province could be joining that modified stage 2 of reopening that regions like Toronto, Peel, and York are in. And what that includes, Michael, is no dining inside restaurants, no gym access, no cinema access. So we could have more of those closures coming on Monday.
And of course, the numbers just add to the concern that is what we're going to be seeing here, Natalie. So a close eye on that. But it's not just Ontario reporting in the last couple of hours. Quebec also sharing some new numbers. Talk to us about the big number being shared out of Quebec right now.
Right. So that's over 1,000 cases in that province. And we know that that province is actually the hot spot for Canada. Throughout the entire pandemic, Quebec has almost reported 100,000 cases. It's just over 97,000 cases to be exact. If we take a look at the numbers today for Quebec, it's more than 1,000 cases today, and it's the 5th time in 7 days that this has happened in that province. There is 1,009 cases, 549 people are in hospital, 93 there in ICU, 6 deaths reported in that province as well. We know that the hot spots there, it is 253 cases in Montreal, 226 in the capital, in Quebec City. And also we do know that the people who are contracting the virus in that province, they are in the age bracket of 20 to 29. They're also mostly women, Michael. However, that province is saying that mostly men are ending up in the ICU there.
Natalie, thank you for that. We'll speak again. Our Natalie Nanowski.